Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster tail. First, ensure your lobster tails are fully thawed, ideally in the refrigerator overnight. Next, grab some kitchen shears and carefully cut down the center of the top shell, stopping just before the tail fin. Then, gently pull the raw lobster meat up through the cut, leaving it attached at the very end. Finally, rest the meat on top of the shell, creating a beautiful piggyback presentation. This simple preparation makes for an elegant dish. Once prepared, you have several excellent cooking options. Baking is a fantastic choice. Simply bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. For a quicker cook, broil your tails for 1 to 2 minutes per ounce of meat until it turns opaque. Grilling offers a smoky flavor. Cook over medium-high heat for 5 to 8 minutes, starting flesh side down. Steaming is another gentle method, taking around 8 to 10 minutes. To elevate your lobster's natural sweetness, consider some simple flavor enhancements. Before cooking, brush the meat generously with melted butter, perhaps infused with minced garlic and fresh herbs like parsley. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice after cooking will brighten the rich taste beautifully. For a touch of color and a subtle warmth, a light sprinkle of paprika is always a good idea. And of course, always serve with extra melted butter for dipping. Knowing when your lobster is perfectly cooked is key. The meat should be opaque white and firm to the touch, not translucent. For precision, an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit indicates it's done. Serve your perfectly cooked lobster tails immediately with your favorite accompaniments, such as rice pilaf, asparagus, or a fresh salad. Enjoy this luxurious and surprisingly simple meal that is sure to impress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.